Okay, guys. So you might hear the rain. Again, guys. As you can see. Okay. Here our balcony. And look at the rain. Look. Look. Oh, do you see that lightning? And I think it rained like this before. I think it's more heavy. I think it's more heavy. No, this rain is not that heavy. My brother. This rain is heavy, but last year or last time rain is heavier than this. So just telling, so yeah. Heavy rain. 3, 2, 1, stop.